In this video, I will show you how to run large language models locally on a Windows 11 computer using Ollama. Ollama is a free tool that allows you to run various models such as Llama 2, Mistral, CodeLlama, and even allows for customization to create your own AI assistant. Additionally, I will guide you through creating a simple ChatGPT-like web application with Ollama using NodeJS. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser on your Windows 11 computer and navigate to the Ollama website. Then click on the download button. Ollama is compatible with Windows 11, Linux, and Mac OS. Select the Windows icon and proceed with the download. Once downloaded, run the executable file to install Ollama on your Windows computer. After the installation, open the command prompt, type Ollama, and you will see the information about the command. Now let's download an LLM to see how it works. Head over to this page, click on Models, and you will find various options including Llama, Llama 2, Mistral, CodeLlama, and more. For now, let's choose Llama 2. Then select a model size based on your system's RAM. For instance, if you have 8 gigs of RAM, choose the 7 billion model. And if you have more RAM, choose 13 billion model. Now copy the command for your chosen model and paste it into the command prompt to initiate the download. Now once completed, you will notice a change in the prompt. Let's interact with the downloaded model. You can see that it responds as intended. The speed of text generation depends on your computer's hardware. Next, let's request the model to generate a source code in Java to determine if a number is palindrome. Notice that it also explains the generated code. Now let's ask it to tell me a story in 30 words and see its capability in storytelling. And as you can see, it did fairly good. Now to exit the model, simply press Ctrl+D. Now type Ollama list to see the installed models on your computer. Let's test another model named Mistral by running it in verbose mode. Let's ask Mistral to write a code to create an alert box with SwiftUI and see its response. You can anytime interrupt the text generation by pressing Ctrl+C, which returns you to the prompt. Now let's customize the model. Create a new file named model file without any extension using VS Code and paste the provided lines. Now, this file serves as a blueprint for the model's behavior. Here, I'm going to set the temperature to 1 for enhanced creativity and define the system message to react as Lisa. Then save the changes. Now navigate to the model file using the command prompt and create a new model named Lisa using the blueprint. To do so, type Ollama, create Lisa, and specify the model file using the -F option. That's it. Now if you type Ollama list, you will see the new model named Lisa. Now let's run the Lisa model and see how it responds. Let's ask what's your name, and you can see it responds as Lisa. It's time to create a ChatGPT-like web application using Ollama. Make sure you have installed NodeJS and Python on your computer. Then execute the provided command to create a new Node.js application named example. Change the directory to an example. Then navigate to the app hierarchy using File Manager. Navigate to App, API, Chat, and open the route.ts file using VS Code. I'm going to replace these two parts of the code with these code snippets. Specify the model name here. I'm going to leave it as llama 2 and save the changes. Then inside the command prompt, type this command to run the web application. Now copy the generated URL and paste it into your web browser. You will see the ChatGPT-like prompt at the bottom. I'm going to test it by typing an arithmetic expression to see its response. Now as you can see, it does an amazing job. The backend for this application is Llama 2, but you can use any Ollama model based on your requirements. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can run open source large language models on a Windows computer using Ollama. Let me know what do you think about it in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK Rao. I will see you in the next one.